Once upon a time, in a quiet village nestled between green hills, lived a boy named Liam. He had big dreams and an even bigger heart. But one day, he left his village in search of success, thinking that happiness lay in the world beyond the hills. Liam became rich, known, and busy. But something was missing. In the middle of his success, he felt empty. His smile was there, but his heart wasn't. One rainy night, sitting alone in a tall city building, he whispered to himself. He packed only a few things and began walking. Planes, cars, and trains were everywhere, but he chose to walk. With every step, memories came back. His mother's warm hands. His father's old songs. The smell of home-cooked meals. The sound of laughter from his little sister. He helped a stranger fix a bicycle, shared his food with a hungry child, and slept under the stars. With each act of kindness, he felt a little more alive. The road wasn't just leading to his village, it was leading back to who he really was. After many days, Liam saw the familiar hills. His eyes filled with tears. The people welcomed him not for his success, but for his return. His little sister ran into his arms, whispering, "I knew you'd come back." Sometimes, we go far to find ourselves, only to realize that *what we were searching for was always at home.